Then Mansory just ruined another Ferrari with its latest F8XX Spider. You guys be the judge here. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel. And welcome back to another video where last year Mansory created an utterly garish Ferrari F8 Spider known as the F8XX Tempesta Turkesh, featuring over-the-top aero add-ons and a bizarre two-tone white and turquoise paint scheme. Fast forward to mid-2024, and now they are back with yet another flamboyant F8 Spider, which might be even crazier. Now, while the F8 Spider doesn't have a unique name like the car that we saw last year, well, it has been oddly modded with many of the same parts. And it's hard to imagine anyone looking at this F8 and thinking, this is a car worth spending more money on than I would on a standard F8 model. But Mansory has been around for many years, and they sell their outlandish creations, so somebody out there wants these kind of cars. Very specific buyers, if you don't say. Now, found at the front of this F8 Spider is a thoroughly revised fascia with a forged carbon splitter and air intakes. It also features dynamic flicks on the front splitter, aerodynamic canards, and carbon fiber louvers on the front fenders. And the forged carbon also extends below the headlights, across the hood, and over the window frame. Now, the changes don't stop there, because the tuner has fitted 21-inch wheels at the front and 22-inch shoes at the rear, and they too have forged carbon fiber accents. Now, the F8 Spider also has new side skirts, while the rear diffuser has been overhauled completely with a two small winglet setup, a forged carbon deck lid, and a new diffuser. It also features quad tailpipes. Now, when you get a look at the interior, it's arguably even more shocking than the exterior. It is lathered in turquoise colored leather, extending across almost every interior panel, including the seats, dashboard, door panels, carpets, and the steering wheel. And the only parts not finished in the leather are some small carbon fiber accents and a handful of black components, including the air vents. Now, Mansory wrapped up the work on this F8 Spider by upgrading the 3.9-liter twin-turbo V8, which that means it turns out 868 horsepower and 708 pound-feet, 960 newton-meters of torque. So there's something to cheer for. But with that said, what do you guys think about the F8XX Spider? Did Mansory ruin it? Do you guys like it? And if you do like it, do you like the exterior or the interior or both? Drop those comments down below. I want to know what your thoughts are. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, make sure you guys give the video a big thumbs up, and make sure you guys check the links in the description. But make sure you guys subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys have a great one, and we will talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.